All right, so this is Dell Latitude 5290 2-in-1. Okay, it's a kind of tablet PC, and today you're going to install Windows 11 in it. And I do have Windows 11 installer. It's pretty simple to do. We can do either way, either UEFI or legacy. But I do prefer UEFI nowadays because of the secure boot. Okay, so let's do that. It's pretty simple. We're going to need one of them, Windows installer, which is Windows 11, and then we need to have the charger because it's quite old, and I'm worried if the battery backup doesn't cover up to complete this installation. Okay, so first is first, what are you going to do? We're going to open up, connect into USB port, which is that, and now we're going to connect the charger, which is type C. So it's all ready. All right, so first let's power it up. Should be here, and we're going to keep pressing F2. All right, so that's the BIOS. You can use external keyboard if you don't have that, and touch also does work, so which is good. So we're going to get into boot sequence. As you can see, is UEFI advanced boot option, which is this. So make sure if you want UEFI, you must have to uncheck that. As you can see, it's not allowed, means we need to uncheck it. And then if you go to secure boot, it has to be enabled as well. So once you hit enter, as you can see, secure boot also enabled. So those are the major settings that we need to reinstall it. That's it, nothing else. So what you can do, we can exit it. Okay, exit. Now we're going to press F2. We did not choose any sort of boot priority option. The reason is we can get into temporary selection by pressing F2. Pretty sure. As you can see here, it's coming up. And from here, I can choose my USB stick, which is that one. As you can see, it says flash. So hit enter. So it takes a few minutes to load up. Now I'm going to choose, my selection is United Kingdom. You can choose your one. And hit next. Then we're going to accept the terms and condition, the license agreement. Now be careful before you delete or make any sort of changes of this partition, because if you do, you lose your data for sure. So before you get to this point, make sure you back up your data into a safe place, and then you can do that. But if you don't want, then you can go forward and you can just delete and recreate the partition. I do have single partition. I hit next. Now it's going to copy everything, and it's going to go to 100%. Might take a couple of restarts, then Windows should be ready. And once Windows is ready, then we need to connect into Wi-Fi or internet, and then update the drivers, because many drivers will be missing. Okay, and then we're going to restart again just to check if everything is fine or not. So everything looks fine. Now I'm going to update the drivers. Luckily the trackpad does work, and also the keyboard, and also the actual Wi-Fi driver is up to date by itself by default, means I can connect into Wi-Fi without any issue. So thank you so much for watching. If you do have any question, please leave it in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.